Hello, my name's Alex Aiken from Raps. For those of you who are unfamiliar with our new webcast platform, Zoom, we're going to quickly walk you through some of the things you'll need to know to participate in today's event. In our workshops, we traditionally try to have all of our attendees participate and ask their questions live on the microphone. So first, please take a moment to check your audio settings by going to the audio settings here on the lower left of the Zoom panel. Just click the up arrow next to the microphone icon and select audio settings. Just verify that you have the correct speaker and correct microphone selected from the lists. Usually the system will select the correct ones by default, but just double check in case you have any issues. During the program, you're also welcome to turn on your camera. So to do so, you can just click on this button to start your video. And if you would like to change any of your video settings, again, click on the up arrow next to the camera icon, click video settings, and the different settings will be available here. You can use this drop down to select a different camera if you have multiple attached to your computer. If you don't want to submit your questions verbally over the microphone, you may also submit them here in the chat. So to do so, just click on the chat button at the bottom, and the box will appear here on the side. Type in your question or whatever you want to say to the audience, and you can address that to either everyone or individuals in the program. The chat is also where we're going to be sharing all of the handouts for today's program. So throughout the program, either at the beginning or during the program, depending on what the presenter would like, the RAP staff will upload the documents that you'll need here in the chat, and they'll appear here. Just click to start the download, and it'll ask you where you want to save. Click Save, and the download will begin. During the workshop today, our presenters may ask you to break out into individual groups for assignments or group discussions. To use the breakout rooms, there's a couple different ways you can choose the room. For some programs, the presenters will choose which room you're going to be assigned to, and when it comes time to run the breakout rooms, you will be automatically placed into your assigned room. When you move into a breakout room, it'll look like this. And another window will appear that looks similar to the main room. Once in the room, you're welcome to screen share and chat and talk with any of the other participants just the same way you would in a regular Zoom meeting. If you need any help throughout the process of using a breakout room, this button will appear here at the bottom that says Ask for Help. If you click on this, you can invite the host or the RAP staff into this breakout room that you're in to ask for assistance. Simply click on the button and the host will be notified that you need some help and can join you shortly. If you'd like to leave the room and return back to the main room, just click on this button in the lower right that says Leave Room and select Leave Breakout Room. This will return you back to the main session. To return to a breakout room, just click on the new button that appears here once the rooms are open, and it will let you know which room you've been assigned to and give you the option to rejoin. In some instances, the presenters will allow you to choose which room you want to join. Once the rooms are open, just click on the breakout room button that will appear here at the bottom of your screen and choose the room that is best suited for you. Click on the join button next to the room, click yes, and you'll automatically be connected to that room. If you click on the participants button at the bottom, you'll notice that there's some additional buttons here in the panel that appears. You can use any of these to indicate to the presenter that you would like to acknowledge a question that they ask, to go slower or faster, or to use any of these other optional items here to participate in the event non-verbally. Someone from the RAP staff will be available throughout the program to help you with any technical questions that you may have. If you have any technical questions, typically we use the raise hand feature to indicate if you're having a problem. If you raise your hand, or you alternatively can just message one of the RAP staff in the event, but either way, if you raise your hand or message us, we'll be able to help you with any technical problems that you have throughout the event. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy the rest of the event.